Skin tightening procedure offer a revolutionary solution for achieving a more youthful, radiant complexion. But how long can you expect the effects to last? The answer varies depending on the individual and the treatment chosen. On average, skin tightening results can last for anywhere from 6 months to 2 years. And in some patients, it may experience prolonged effect due to the factors such as skin elasticity, the skin firmness, lifestyle choices, and the sun exposure. Maintenance treatment and skincare routine also is very important. Generally, results tend to be the most pronounced in the first 3 to 6 months, with gradual relaxation of the skin occurring over the period of time. However, with proper care and maintenance, the effects of skin tightening can be enjoyed for an extended period of time. It can be revealing a smoother, more radiant complexion that defies the signs of aging.